this video is directed at the current cashless policy in Nigerian news. But this video will be beneficial to anyone who wants to know how to position his or her business for the cashless economy, as we all welcome the global trend of cashless payments in our day-to-day business transactions. Businesses with limited payment options or those that only accept cash transactions are almost certainly leaving money on the table. Because cashless and digital payments are dominating the payment industries and are preferred by many customers. Significant advances in the fintech industry usually do come along with innovative new technologies. In this video, I'll be concentrating specifically on payment method. Cashless payment method is now a global trend. Usually, human beings have a natural skepticism towards change. But either you like it or not, change is the only thing that is permanent and business is not an exception. If you're a wise business owner, while every other person is complaining about the initial stress that comes with cashless payment, you should rather position yourself to embrace this new normal. You should do this for these three reasons. Number one, the beginning of a change movement is one of the best opportunities to make more money. Because while your competitors are busy whining, you are cashing in by the vacuum that the new cashless payment is creating. Number two, either you like it or not, the change has come to stay. So it will be unwise for you to fight against what you don't have any control over. And three, trust me, while all changes usually begin rough, it ends up favoring those who have a positive attitude toward accepting changes. And that is why I want to quickly show you some trending payment options that are available to you as a business owner. Either you run a small or medium scale business, you can implement a variety of these payment methods. They offer secure and convenient solutions to your customers. After all, while cashless payments are still in use, we are moving closer to becoming a cashless society than ever before. I will also do my best to enlighten you about the pros and the cons of each of these cashless payment methods so that you can make an informed decision when choosing which of these cashless payment methods for your business. If you would like to see more fintech videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. If you're ready, then let's get started. So what are cashless payments? Simply put, any payment method that does not involve a physical paper or coin money is cashless. Though cashless payments also include payment methods such as the paper check and money order, but this video is specifically targeted towards the fintech technological kind of payment options. What are the different types of cashless payments that are available to you as a business owner? Credit and debit cards. This is the most frequently used and widely accepted cashless payment option available. In Nigeria today, every business owner is expected to have various means to allow customers use credit and debit cards to undergo transactions. The recent emergence of virtual card is even making debit cards more functional and broad-based, and you will be doing your business a disservice if you have not fully allowed the integration of debit cards into your business transactions. There are various ways by which credit and debit cards can be used by businesses to ensure easy transactions. Some of these include the use of POS machine. To run a successful business enterprise, whether small or big, you require a POS machine now. This is because most customers prefer to carry their debit cards around rather than walk around with cash. Therefore, it is important for your business to get a POS machine to run such sales. You can apply for a POS machine from any certified vendor closest to you. There are different types of point of sale machines available. However, the mobile point of sale machines are the most common in Nigeria, and except if you are really a big high-end supermarket that may want to go for the countertop point of sale machine or the retail point of sale machine, the mobile point of sale machine versions will just be good enough for you. To get a point of sale machine, you can walk into any of your banks or the popular fintech companies. All you have to do is make inquiries about the collection procedures because they all don't have exactly the same process for collection. Use of payment links. Payment links are great ways to make requests for payment from your customers. This is particularly useful if you offer online services that cut across national borders or you want to set up payments for your business. through the internet. With services like Flutterwave and Paystack, you can easily set up a safe online payment for your business, either brick and mortar or digital, and payment links is becoming a very popular payment method for businesses. I have a couple of videos where I show you how you can use Flutterwave to enhance your business on my channel. You can check them out. They will really help you take your business cashless. Accept transfer. One of the most barbaric things you can imagine or do as a business owner right now is to decline accepting bank transfer from your customers. Before now, only the big businesses and shops do accept bank transfers, but the time has come for every business of every size to get used to allowing bank transfers for payments. Soon, people will carry less and less cash around, and only businesses who have prepared themselves will enjoy patronage. So, irrespective of your business type, you should brace up for payment through transfer. To be able to accept payment by transfer, all you have to do is to open a bank account with any of the local banks. But if I were you, I will even prefer to use some of the fintechs with good reputation than using the traditional bank. This is because these fintechs offer more seamless financial services. They don't deduct unnecessary transfer charges and they are tailored for this kind of services. Also, if you are the type that like to take quick loans, they will give you the opportunity, and some even allow you to take small loans with payments spread across a whole year. Also, some of them allow you to even save on their platform if you love to make savings that you don't want to touch for a while. There are a couple of them that have great reputation, but I prefer to use Carbon than most others. I use Carbon well and I always recommend them to people. You can sign up with Carbon using the Carbon link I have provided in the video description. Give your customers redeemable voucher. This is also called Pay Now, Spend Later. This may not be a very popular cashless payment model practiced by many businesses, but it works. Some businesses actually do it. Internet and mobile banking method can sometimes fail due to the time it takes for transactions to successfully take place. You can ask your customers to transfer today and collect tomorrow. It works. But for you to be able to do this, you will need to be running a very honest business and earn the trust of your customers. Though, if you want to implement the Pay Now, Spend Later mode, it will have to be on a short-term plan for obvious reasons. The truth is that there are more cashless payment methods that exist, but most of them are either not popular yet or even available in Nigeria. Example of such is the Buy Now and Pay Later apps and the ACH, while some others are not available or convenient yet for local transactions. Examples include the different cryptocurrencies options and payment apps like the Apple Pay, the Google Play, and the Amazon Pay. So, what are the advantages of adopting cashless payment options? Number 1. Because cashless and digital payments are beginning to dominate the payment industry and are preferred by many customers, making these payment options available has the potential to increase sales better than businesses that refuse the cashless payment options. Another advantage of cashless transaction is the data provided, allowing businesses to make more informed decisions. Digital and electronic transactions can shed light on a wealth of information for your business. You can link cashless transactions to other customers or customer groups as well as analyze payment volume by time period or payment type. Number 3. Some of the more popular cashless payment options are incredibly simple and fast to process, except for times when we encounter network failures. Consumers today seek out convenient and safe ways to make their purchases, and offering several options not only make a customer more likely to purchase, it's often faster than traditional method of payments. So, are there disadvantages to adopting the cashless payment method? Yeah, a couple of them. For instance, not every business or customer base is going to quickly adapt to cashless options. While the basics of the debit and credit cards are commonly known, newer forms of payment like mobile wallet or payment apps may not be as easily adopted. With any new technology, there is a learning curve for both the business and the customer. So, of all of these cashless payment methods, which one of them will you consider to be the best or the easiest or the safest to use? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. We all love to hear from you. Any size business, whether operating primarily as an e-commerce, a hybrid, or a primarily brick and mortar, needs a payment method that it's mostly convenient with, and I believe that this video has enlightened you to make a better choice when it comes to your choice of a cashless payment method to use for your business. If you love this video, then please give me a like. It will help to push this video to more business owners who need fintech information like this. And if you love to see more of such videos, then remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so you get to know when I release my next video.